Corey Craig out of Chilliwack with the Suzuki TCS Lane. Jody Brookwood out of Surrey with the 78 Kawasaki Lordco Lane. Be our last two motorcycles. Then we'll be moving into Hot Rod. On the bike tower side yet, so I'm not sure who that is. Spectator side of the racetrack, out of DeRoche, Bill McDonald with his 75 Kawasaki Wild Racing. Reaction time, the better of the two. Bill McDonald gets that. Stopping the timers at the top end is going to be the TCS Lane, an 859, 149 miles per hour, to a 909 at 142 for Wild Bill. Jody Brookwood from Surrey, 78 Kawasaki in the TCS Lane, sponsored by Brookwood Renovations. Lordco Lane from BC is Anna Donaldson, sponsored by Sam Jansen from Royal LePage. Reaction time going to the tower side at 132 to a 353. Getting the top end first. This is the TCS 975 at 136 miles per hour to a 1224 at 125 for the Lordco Lane. Tom Durant out of Maple Ridge with a 2017 GSXR, the Kraken. TCS Lane. Corey Craig out of Chilliwack on a Suzuki, the Black Lightning, Lordco Lane. The reaction time going to the tower side at 016 to an 051. Getting the top end first is going to be the Lordco Lane. Goes through with a 790, 169 miles an hour to an 852, 156 TCS side.
Bill dialed in with a 909. Daryl with an 857. Daryl's trying to chase him down, and he does not. Bill McDonald taking the win, going 909 with a 3 on the 909. Daryl breaking out, going 853 on the 857. Next up, we got Jody Brookwood on the 78 Kawasaki taking on Tom Turan on the Kraken 2017 Gixxer. Attention in the pits, attention in the pits. Canada West door slammers, make your way down to the staging lanes, please. Canada West door slammers, you're coming down for your first round of eliminations. Do not forget, it is random pairing. Lanes 3, 4, 5, and 6. As you come down, Mr. Ken Lowe will tell you where to go. So Canada West door slammers, please make your way down to the staging lanes. And Jody Brickwood taking the win against Tom Tran, moving on to the second round. Jody going to 948 on the 940. Tom going to 872 on the 856. Anna Donaldson in the left lane on the 2007 Yamaha. Taking on Corey Craig, Black Lightning in the right lane. Anna Donaldson, big shout out to Sam Jensen from Royal LePage. And Corey taking the win, going 793 on the 786. Anna going 1140 on the 1205. Jody Brickwood in the left lane on the 78 Kawasaki, facing off against Corey Craig in the right lane, riding Black Lightning, that's Suzuki Hayabusa. Corey with a 789, Jody with a 948 up there. Corey getting out in front there, about 1,000 foot, taking the win, going 809 on the 789. Jody 1008 on the 948. So Jody, I think, having a few little troubles out there, and then Corey just reeling them in and then letting off and taking the win, taking the green light and the win in our Mountainview Harley Davidson motorcycle category. Congrats, Corey Craig, on the big win.